$0, 5 days, 100 high quality motivated seller leads, guaranteed. Yo, that's my promise to you. What's up everyone? Mike Hill, the Wholesaling Titan here, and I want to show you the fastest way to get leads for your wholesaling business, regardless of your budget, and teach you a system that you can replicate every month to make sure your leads pipeline stays full. Now, 100 leads is going to be the minimum you can expect, and if just one of those leads closes, you're looking at payday of $10,000 or more on average. And I want to be hyper focused on your lead generation because despite all the moving parts involved in doing a wholesale deal, it all starts here. You need leads to do deals. So I want to invite you to download my 100 leads mind map, which will walk you through an exact step-by-step process to get at least 100 leads in 5 days. Each node in the mind map designates a specific step in the lead generation process, which I'll be walking you through in video format. All you need to do is follow along with the steps I'll be showing you to replicate the results. Now we're going to cover 5 primary topics, including a walkthrough of my wholesaling model, where I'll show you kind of the nuances and secrets of wholesaling that most wholesalers miss. Next, we're going to jump right into lead generation, where I'll show you the success secrets to keep your pipeline full by consistently bringing in new leads every month. I'm going to walk you through things like metrics and KPIs and show you how to set daily goals and how to set up your schedule, show you the daily routine of a successful wholesaler, and I'll show you how to overcome obstacles like procrastination and paralysis analysis. Next, we're going to walk through targeting, how to find the best deals in your market that sells fast. And I'll show you the most efficient way to maximize conversion while saving you time, money, and resources. Next is the best kept secret in wholesaling, the holy grail of doing deals, best lists and best sources to use. And in this specific training, I'm going to focus on low and zero cost leads that you can find from the comfort of your home. So literally anybody can do this. And finally, I'll show you how to contact sellers and get them to sign on the dotted line. Now, I've also got some really cool bonuses that I'll get to in just a second. But first, let me explain, how we're going to do this. So if you download the mind map before August 21st, you'll be joining me for each session live at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time each day for 5 days. And I highly recommend you join live because if you've been on one of my trainings before, you know that I always do a lot of Q&A and you can benefit from my knowledge from, over a decade. But whether you join live or not, the mind map is evergreen. You'll be able to access all the modules in the training forever. So now let's talk about the bonuses. At the end of the training, you're going to have your leads. Now you got to know what to say to people. So when you grab your mind map today, I'm going to hook you up with all of my wholesaling scripts for free. Not only have I spent thousands of dollars on mentors and seminars and trainings, but more importantly, these have been curated and perfected based on my real life experience, spending hundreds of thousands of hours speaking to sellers and buyers and real estate agents in the field for over a decade. Now I sell these on my website for $97, but today you can get them for free. And I'm also going to give you a copy of my Overcoming Objections ebook. Now, this will give you a framework for responding to any of the inevitable objections you will face in the business, as well as the exact word-for-word responses to the 13 most common objections you'll face as a wholesaler. So if someone says, for example, you give me an offer first, I'll teach you how to flip that around and always get the seller to name their price first. And then finally, you also get a copy of my 46 Ways to Find Motivated Sellers ebook, which we'll dive into a little bit deeper as we move through the mind map, highlighting the ones that you should focus on. So click the link in the description or click the big red button below that says download the mind map. Look, the training alone is worth hundreds. Use it to do just one deal. It's worth over 10 grand. Continue using it. Has the power to change your life. So download the mind map now. Let's get you some leads and I'll see you inside.